Good morning, dear students. This is your English period. Open your Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition. Lesson 7. Use of this, that, these and those. You have seen in your PPT and mind map. What is the meaning of these? That, these, those. This used for singular. That is also used for singular. But this is used for near things. That is used for far things. These used for plurals. Those word is also used for plurals. These near to us and many things. Those far to us and many things. This is singular. These is plural. That is singular. Those is plural of that. Okay? ये हमने सारा माइंड मैप में पढ़ा था. अब आप अपनी बुक ओपन करेंगे पेज नंबर 59. I am going to read the chapter. You will also read with me. Let's do. Point at 3 things that are near you and say for each, this is a. जो थिंग्स हमारे पास में होती है उसे हम दिस इज अ और फिर थिंग्स का नाम. Then point at 3 things that are not near you and say for each, that is near, this is a, far, that is a. Write their names below. One has been done. You will write in your notebook. This is a bag because bag is near to you. Now tree. This is that this is a class. जो थिंग्स हमारे पास में होती है, this is a picture of a bag. This is a picture of a bag. This is a tree. This is a glass. These things are near to us. This is a flower. You can see this is a bag, this is a tree, this is a glass, this is a flower. All things are near to us. But some things are far to us, that we will say that is cat. Things are far. This is a cat. This is a cat. That is a rainbow. Far. It is also far. That is a rainbow. How many colors in a rainbow do you know? Have you seen a rainbow? Yes. When we can see the rainbow? We can see rainbow in a rainy season. And there are 7 colors in a rainbow. This is a, that is a rainbow because rainbow is far to you. a camel. Now that is a book. Book is also far to us, so we can say that is a book. Pictures आप बना पाते तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं बना पाते तो कोई बात नहीं, but these are simple pictures except the camera. So you can see near things. We use this for near things and we use that for far things. This is used for a person, place or thing that is far from us. This is used for person, place or thing that is near to us. Isn't it? Now, page number 15. This is a watermelon. That is a house. This is a parrot. That is a bicycle. अब आप इसका करेंगे मैचिंग. You will match in your book. Let's practice. Match the expressions below with the correct picture. You will do the matching in your book. Open your book and do the matching in your book. That is cat. In which picture you can say that is cat? This is box. It is a pencil. Kid. This is this cat. It may be this cat क्योंकि तो पास में this होना चाहिए. ये box that cat. It means that cat. Match the expressions below with the correct pictures. That cat. इससे मैच करेंगे. यहाँ पर हमें कैट दूर दिख रही है, तो आप देखो that cat. लास्ट पिक्चर से आप मैच करेंगे. This pencil. This pencil बॉय के बिल्कुल हाथ में है. हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे? This pencil. दिख रहा है सबको? That cat. Cat फार है, कार से फार. That. This pencil. That box. That this box and box. There are two boxes, but this is a box and that is a box. This is near to girl and that this box is far to boy. So that box. हम किसके लिए यूज करेंगे इसके लिए? That box. This box ये गर्ल के लिए, क्योंकि गर्ल के पास में है बॉक्स. This cat is also near the girl. तो जो पिक्चर पास में है उसमें हम this का यूज करेंगे. जो पिक्चर दूर है उसके लिए that का यूज करेंगे. अब आपको अच्छे समझ में आ गया होगा what is the difference between this and that. This मतलब भी क्या होता है? यह. This मतलब क्या होता है? यह. और that मतलब क्या होता है? वह. जो पास में होता है वो यह बोलते हैं और जो दूर होता है उसको वह. तो आपने कहा that cat. You will match with this picture. This pencil. That box. This box. This cat. तो आज हमने सिर्फ यूज ऑफ दिस और दैट पढ़ा है. These और those का यूज हम कल पढ़ेंगे. तो आपको आज इतना ही पढ़ना है और समझना है कि दिस किसके लिए आएगा? थिंग्स विच आर नियर टू अस. थिंग्स भी हो सकती है, प्लेस भी हो सकता है, एनिमल भी हो सकता है. दैट इज यूज फॉर पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग दैट इज फार फ्रॉम अस. दिस इज यूज फॉर पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग दैट इज नियर टू अस. ये पूरी दोनों लाइन से लेट्स लर्न, इसको लर्न करना है. दैट इज यूज फॉर पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग दैट इज फार फ्रॉम अस. दिस इज यूज फॉर पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग दैट इज नियर टू अस. तो आज आप दो ही चीजें याद रखेंगे. दिस, नियर, दैट. ओके, आपको पता है ये नियर, दिस इज फार.